Spices! So a lot of you know I have this cherry tree back here. Actually I have 2 cherry trees and I need to pick them before the birds eat them all. If you can hear the birds in the background, they're very upset that I'm by my cherry tree. So in today's video we are going to make moonshine. We are going to make cherry moonshine, but we are going to make it in the Instant Pot. So let's go spice things up and go pick some cherries. Okay, so if you can see, we have so many cherries and we have way more on the tree. So to kind of get rid of some of them, I need to make a lot of recipes. So right now I am washing my cherries. They're just in water, and I am taking the stems off and just putting them in my pot for my Instant Pot. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so if you can see, I filled the cherries to the max line, and now I'm going to put 2 cups of sugar in the pot, and now I'm going to take 4 cups of water and just put it in as well. And if you can see, it fills right to the max line. Okay, so I put the cherries in the pot, and now I'm just going to put the lid on, close it, and turn it on seal. So now I'm going to turn it on manual, and I'm going to turn it up to 30 minutes. And so I am going to cook it for 30 minutes. So basically it's going to build up to pressure, and then it's going to count down. Okay, it turned on. And so then it's going to count down from 30 all the way to 0. And then I'm going to naturally release it for 90 minutes. Okay, so it's been 90 minutes. So time to open it up. And now I'm just gonna mash up the cherries a little bit, just to make sure all the juice gets out of the cherries. Okay, all the cherries are mashed. Okay, so what I have here is a strainer, but it's a fine mesh strainer, and a bowl to catch the juice. And I'm just gonna take the cherries and the liquid and just strain it. And I just want to get out all of the seeds and the skin, or of course you can just do this. The pan is a little warm. And then of course you want to just get out all of the juice. Okay, so once all the seeds and the skin is out of the juice, you want to get some mason jars, and then I just use this, put it in just so it doesn't get messy, and then just take the juice and put them in some mason jars. And you want to fill them about halfway. Okay, so I'm actually going to put some whole cherries in here as well. And then these will get infused with the liquor and the juices. But I'm just going to show you, I have this cherry pitter. And all you do is do this, lift it up, and the seeds fall through. Anyways, and so there's no seeds in here now, and you can just put them right in. So you'll just want to keep doing that until you have enough cherries in here that you desire. Next, I like to add a really good quality vanilla, and this stuff my mother-in-law brought back from her travels. It's really good quality. If I don't have a vanilla bean on hand, I'll use this instead. So I'm just going to add a half a teaspoon of vanilla to each jar. Next, I'm going to add a cinnamon stick to each jar. This just gives it a little extra flavor. It almost kind of makes it taste like delicious cherry pie. Okay, so now for the key ingredient, you'll want to get some Everclear. Everclear is best for this recipe. It is 95% alcohol and 190 proof. So we're just going to add some Everclear just right to about here. Okay, that's good. It is going to be nice and strong. Just put the lid on and mix it a little bit. Okay, so for best results, it's best to wait at least a week so that the cinnamon stick and all the flavors can mend that, and so that the alcohol won't be as bitter tasting. But if you want to wait 40 days, that's the best result. The longer the better. And then you are done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed making this cherry moonshine, and really you can make it with any berries. You can make it, I have raspberries growing in my yard and blackberries growing in my yard, so I might make some more but use one of those berries instead. Or I have a ton of other fruit like peaches and nectarines and purple plums and apples, etc. that I might make some other kinds of moonshine, and you can just do it basically the same way, just with a different fruit. And I'm not going to try it for you because we have to wait 40 days, right? But if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that sometimes I go live, and so I will try this for you on Instagram. And don't forget to check out my merch that I just launched in the last video. It is in the description box below, or you can just go to cookingwithlittle.threadless.com. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.